Model, 2021 Ford Tourneo Custom 320T Eblue Automatic Bery Long MOT Wheelchair Ramp. Body, Silver, Minibus. Mileage, 18,021. MOT, the 4th of February 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 ECOBLUE 130 PS. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear seat area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, reversing camera, wheelchair ramp, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £26,500. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.